So I wanted to do a video and share with you this really fun Quilters supply box, designer fabrics and quilting supplies and notions and goodies. It's like a mystery surprise box that I have purchased off of eBay. So I have purchased 2 previously and it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it, and so I have purchased 2 more, and I just wanted to share those with you. Unbox them with you so you can kind of see here. This is just kind of an example of things you could get in your box. And this is by the seller. It's, let me see here. Eclectic Boutique, TX Boutique, and right here, Eclectic Quilters Boutique. So I'll link this in the description, but you can see the box is $54.95 and then $11.70 for shipping. And I found when I bought 2, the shipping was a little, there was some break on the shipping cost. So anyways, let's open it up. So just get this open here. Now this little lady is so considerate. She realized that I had purchased previously, and she asked me, she sent me a message and said, would you like the same as before boxes? Would you like something different? And I explained that, you know, it was such a great time, and would she please do them differently this time? She said she individually creates, hand picks each box. So you can see there's a little card here. I had a card last time from her to Anna, and there's the 2 boxes. Very nice boxes. These would make a wonderful gift. So let's just open this up, see what she has to say to me this time. Isn't that the prettiest stationery? It's beautiful. Anna, thank you for your purchases. I'm so happy you were pleased with your first 2 boxes. It has been a great honor to hand select 2 more quilt boxes for you as a quilting friend. May you use these items or gift them to a quilting friend. Many beautiful quilt projects to be made and so little time. Many blessings, Melissa. Oh, and look, she's offering me a discount the next time. How sweet. I mean, all of my correspondence with her has just been outstanding. So let's pull one of these out, and I see there's some packing tape here. I'll unseal it and then we'll look. So here we go. Excuse my desk, it's kind of messy. So she did this last time too. Each box had a piece of cardstock that has the different items on it and the total value. So, you know, I paid a lot less than that. And then beautifully wrapped little thank you sticker. I mean, have fun. Let's open this up. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and then last time I just kind of matched things up as I went. So let's see here. We have the Home Sewing Needles Pocket Guide. We have this is, okay, so here those are, the needle guides. What else do we have? A little pattern, saltwater taffy. So let's see, where's that? It's the saltwater taffy. And then what is this? Quilt labels. Oh, how fun. Cute. There's quite a few in there. Maybe 8, maybe more. Let's see, where are they at? Quote label $6.99. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh. Okay, so I have one of these spray bottles for a different purpose, and it is a wonderful bottle. I don't know if you guys have experienced these yet, but you can turn them any direction and spray. And you can also like spray, like pull the trigger and it'll do like a continuous spray. I like that. The Gypsy Quilter spray bottle. So let's see, where's that? Oh, there it is, $12.99. What else do we have? Ooh, look at this. Oh, Happy Day collection. Wow, that's really nice. Ooh, I like that. So pretty. Fun. And you can see that's on the top here. $39.95 value for that. What else do we have? What's this? Oh, a needle threader. I love mystery boxes. It is just so much fun to me. Some tape. So a little free item you can see here. What else do we have? Oh, and this is the soap. Handcrafted, free item, smells lovely. What else? What do we have? A magnifying lens. Oh, that's cool. Spot on dot. Place spot on dot adhesive side down onto the roller at the spot you want to magnify. The reusable adhesive ring prevents it from shifting, stays in place until you remove it. Store in case after use. What's this? Pincushion. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. That beats the tomato. So cute. How cute. I love this. Look, they have a blue and a red. Adorable. Oh, so cute. Okay, so we forgot to look at spot on dot. Dot on spot. Okay, and we need, there's the heart pincushion, $6.99. Yeah. Spot on dot, $10.95. Okay, what else? Oh, you can never have too many rotary blades. Yay! So let's see, where's that? Rotary blade. You guys probably already see it. My apologies. It's somewhere on there. There it is. So sorry, I was needed. Okay, there's the replacement blade. $9.99. Ooh, what is this? Oh, is this a magnetic? Yes, magnetic pin picker upper with a telescoping. That's cool. That says a value of $5.99. We have some thread. You can see that there. What else do we have? Ooh, little snippers. Hemline gold thread snips. They're pretty. Never seen any like that. Ooh, how fun. Okay, that's it. So there it all is, and then she brings it up to a total. And I just think it's so much fun. Like, I just really enjoy it. And if you were someone who quilted, wouldn't this be like a great gift? So I'm putting everything back in. And then we will open up the second box. I'm like addicted to this. So fun. Okay. So here we are. We're into the second box. And I'm torn about looking at these. To look at them or to not look at them. This time, let's not look at it till the end. I mean, maybe just glance through. Teeny that. The beautiful pink tissue paper again. Ooh. Ooh. Looky. I don't have one of these. That's fun. An iron rest, a silicone iron rest. Look at, I'm seeing beautiful things. Another needle pocket guide. That might be standard in every one because I think I got that in my other 2 boxes. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. It's like candy. Little sewing guide. Okay. What is this? Oh, that is gorgeous. Hummingbird Lane. Complete collection, 10 square. 10" by 10", 42 pieces. Robert Kaufman. Wow, those are pretty. And we've got a bobbin case. Hemline gold. Bobbin box. Should we open it? Let's open it. Oh, I'm seeing other things. They're exciting. That's neat. That is very nice. What else do we have? Oh my goodness, aren't these adorable? So cute. Be organized tags. What is this? Just a tag. Stay cute and organized by labeling your fabric bins and projects with Lori's tags by Lori Holt. Cute. And here is soap. Smells nice. We have some thread. Beautiful shade. What's this? Nifty Needles by Lori Holt. An angled edge lint brush by Singer. It's nice to clean out your machine. Quilt block markers. Organize fabric pieces and blocks designed by Purple Hobbies. Quilt block markers. Oh. Each quilt block has a hole in the top so you can hold them in place using your own pins, available in several colors so you can choose the color that shows up best on quilt pieces and blocks. Some tape. Beautiful. What is this? Blade Saver Thread Cutter. Oh. Don't discard your used rotary blades. Give them new life in the Blade Saver Thread Cutter. Oh, that is really cool. I guess. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's it. So now let's look at the list this time. So we have the fabric, $46.99. The Blade Saver Thread Cutter, $19.95. The quilt block markers, $12.95. The embroidery scissors, $8.99. The iron rest, $5.99. The needle guide ×2, $6.90. The gold hemline gold bobbin box. Be organized tags. Nifty needles binding by Lori Holt. The thread, the angled lint brush, and the pattern, and then the free gift of the soap and the tape. $125's value. So I don't know. I hope you all, oops, I'm dropping things. I hope you all enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing what I got. Enjoyed these boxes. My other 2 boxes were different. My other 2 boxes had layer cakes in them. And then other little notions and other little gadgets and things. It's just a lot of fun. I just enjoy mystery surprise things like this. I don't know if I'll use it all, but I could gift it, or it's just a fun treat for me. And maybe there'll be a gift somewhere along the line. I just think it's a great time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos, and if you would like to get yourself a box or two, click the link in the description.